So, after months of leaks and confusion over whether we'd even get a Galaxy S26 Plus, check out our last video on update on this matter. One thing's been certain from the start: the Galaxy S26 Ultra is coming. Now, thanks to a newly leaked image from TarunVats on X, we finally have our closest look to a real-life Galaxy S26 Ultra yet, showing us what Samsung's next premium flagship would actually look like in the real world. The photo shows the S26 Ultra inside a third-party case, and honestly, it lines up perfectly with what we've been hearing for a while. The phone has flat sides, rounded corners, and most notably, a new camera island that holds 3 of the rear cameras together. The fourth lens, along with the laser autofocus, sits just outside that island, and you'll still find the power and volume buttons on the right side, just like before. Now, this camera design isn't exactly brand new for Samsung. They first tried something similar on their mid-range phones, then brought it over to higher-end models, like the Galaxy S25 Edge and the Galaxy Z Fold 7. So it's pretty clear that Samsung wants a more unified look across all its devices, and the S26 series is joining that lineup. Some people love the cleaner, modern, and newer feel. Others think it makes the Ultra look a bit less Ultra, but either way, it's a clear design shift, and one I'm absolutely grateful for, because the previous rear design was starting to look stale. Internally, it's shaping up to be more of a refinement year than a revolution. The S26 Ultra is expected to use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, at least in most markets, with rumours suggesting Samsung might bring back the dual-chip strategy, meaning some regions could get the Exynos 2600 instead. But if you ask me, I'll say that the Ultra will use only Snapdragon, while the regular S26 or S26 Pro, whatever they end up calling it, and the Plus model will get a split of both Exynos and Snapdragon like we've seen in the past. The Ultra's display will reportedly be a new M14 OLED panel, not sure if it applies to the other 2 models, and the camera system will see some modest improvements over the S25 Ultra. Battery capacity stays the same at 5,000 mAh, likely due to shipping and safety regulations in the US. Samsung can't use a split battery setup like OnePlus does, so maybe they'll figure it out with the S27 Ultra. Anyway, Samsung usually unveils its Galaxy S lineup right after CES, so we're looking at a mid-January launch for the S26 series. And since case makers are already producing accessories based on these designs, this leak is probably very close to the real thing, and we can expect more tangible leaks to pour in the coming days or weeks leading up to the launch. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.